Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Keeta food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Keeta is a food delivery app designed to make ordering meals from your favorite local restaurants fast, affordable, and convenient. The app connects users with a wide range of nearby eateries, allowing them to browse menus, place orders, and track deliveries in real time. Available on both iOS and Android, Keeta focuses on providing a smooth ordering experience with an easy-to-use interface, transparent pricing, and reliable delivery service. The app's main feature is its live order tracking system, which lets you monitor your delivery from kitchen to doorstep. Users can filter restaurants by cuisine type, rating, or delivery time, and the app also supports multiple payment methods, including digital wallets and cards. For frequent users, Keeta offers promotional discounts and loyalty rewards for repeat orders. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Keeta's fast delivery times, wide restaurant selection, and simple interface. The real-time tracking system and clear pricing make it a reliable choice for everyday food delivery. It's especially convenient for busy professionals, students, or anyone who prefers quick, contactless meals from trusted local restaurants. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional delays during peak hours, limited restaurant options in smaller cities, and extra delivery charges for long-distance orders. Additionally, customer support response time may vary depending on the location. In summary, the Keeta app may be worth using if you want a quick, reliable, and user-friendly food delivery service with real-time tracking and frequent discounts. However, if you live outside major delivery zones or prefer in-person dining, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.